All right, we are in this pretty big mobile. Remember we had ceiling issues? You get to see what we're doing in here today. Taking out all of this linoleum, well, rolled linoleum. This area of the floor is good, so we're going to section this off and match it up over here. And we took the counters off. I don't know if you remember seeing how bad the counters were. They had some tile job on here. So we've done that today. And this is why we're ripping the floor out, because then we have a better idea of what's going on with the subfloor. A lot of stuff that's going to need to be repaired. Up here in the ceiling, we took all the bad ceiling out. Came in here, just got this all up right now. Over there by the window, all that's going to have to get replaced. This is the old linoleum. Coming in here into the master, this is the bad part of the ceiling we had to take out. And it's always good to pull out carpet, because when that leak was happening in the roof, it also did some damage here. And we took out some damaged ceiling in there. There's all of our molding. We took out some damaged ceiling in there. And all the carpet is out of here. So Steve and I have been, luckily we're not sweating that much, because our HVAC guy, nice cold air, has come in here and got that ready for us. So we'll have to replace that front door. But if you remember, these rooms, this room didn't have any ceiling issues, but we took the carpet out, so the ceiling's fine. In the second bathroom here, we had to take out half the ceiling. We know where the water leaks are now, so we can go on the roof and seal it properly, so it'll never leak again. We took out the whole ceiling in this one bedroom, and still need to here. And if you look real close, you could see the rotted wood up there, and that's where the leak was, right when the two seams come together at the pitch of the roof. So now that we've seen what's going on in here, we can get things fixed, right? This will make a nice little 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 16 wide for someone. And this is what Steve looks like after he sweat.
Another sweaty day.
Another sweaty day. And since I don't have my reverse camera on me, this is what I look like when I'm working. Steve doesn't necessarily wear a mask, but I do.
I can't breathe in those things, especially when you're doing a lot of physical labor.
I have to, because look at all this stuff we're breathing. If I go around choking really bad, like that kind of stuff. So anyways, that's what we're doing here today. And here's our big dumpster. I'll show them our big dumpster. It's almost full. By the time we get the rest of the stuff out there today, it will be full. It's going to save us time for us having to go to the dump ourselves, so I'll be calling them in the morning. This refrigerator stays here, it works. We moved it from one rental, washer and dryer. We'll do a rent to own on it. And we also have a stove. It's the only black stove, but we pulled this out of a rental, but it works. Just needs some really good cleaning up. There's our sink that we'll clean up. And you can tell at one time they had a pet, which they just allowed to piddle all over the place, or children and spills. It doesn't smell like pee in here, but I bet you with children and all that, lots of spills. Isn't that wonderful? Alright, so this is what our kitchen looks like, and you'll see it pretty soon with the counter on it.